Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Friday, Black Friday, Thanksgiving. Hope everybody's doing great. Good to see you all. It's so great to see everyone here today. That's great. Yeah, not too many of you went away. That's good to hear. Let me tell you, UMAC, the stock that we were trading just the last couple of days, and on Wednesday and everything else, this whole thing with Don Jr. being on the board, his stock has been doing phenomenal. It looks like, I don't know, maybe it was something that people were talking during the kitchen table, during Thanksgiving. But this thing has really been making some really big strides. I'm a little worried. I don't know if it's going to be the next True Social stock that's going to make a big run, and we all know how that worked out. But I think more and more people hear about it. This could be a big move right here. So we're going to keep a very close eye. This is good. It's going back on the watch list right here. So we're going to want to keep a very, very close eye. What are the orders are doing? Yeah, there's a couple of big orders I'm seeing out here. I'll show you in a little bit at 15 and stuff like that. But other than that, let's get ready for a Black Friday. Now, for everyone, just to let you know, today is a half day. So the market does close at 1 o'clock. So we should be getting a lot of running in the morning, and then it goes into the afternoon. If you never traded on a half a day, it's a very, very unique time to trade. Also, what's going to happen on a Black Friday, coming back from a Thanksgiving, being the big probably one of the biggest holidays that everyone celebrates here in the United States. A lot of people out here. Sorry about that. Usually, you get, you'll get some things that people are talking about over Thanksgiving that will cause some stocks to make some big moves. You could see on my watch list, a lot of green stuff going on right there. A lot of greens. They're not up a lot, but there's some of the swing trades are doing pretty well. We're going to check them out and so on. But the market is up a little bit today, so we'll see. We'll see what's going through that big watch list. Now, when we traded last week regarding about some of the stocks, I told you I got back into it. It did a little bit of a slingshot on the way down. Remember what I always tell you: whatever goes up must come down first. And it just the whole thing we teach you in class called the Fausto flags and all that. That's all consolidation. So nothing goes up in a straight line. Everything does back off. But it's to see how much it's going to back off and how it's going to hold there. And then that's obviously how we push things up. So anyway, IBIT's doing pretty well on the swing trade. We own the PLTR. That one's holding pretty good. I don't know if we're going to – well, it looks like it's consolidating on a swing trade. But listen, if we can get past this 67 – we could see a really, really nice move on the stock right here. There's a couple of stocks also we'll check out on our swing trades, but also a couple of them that also made some really nice moves. We had, what was it, the API? That one did really, really well on Wednesday too. Let me go that back right there. Yeah. So you can see that nice little inexpensive stock, nice little push. I don't know. Maybe she might move again. We could keep that on. And then we have the was it VCIG? Yeah, that one was really good too on Friday. That thing right in the middle of the day, nice little move. And then right around 11 o'clock, I mean, this thing ran from $3 all the way to a whopping $8 a share. Another really, really nice pop right there. She's moving again this morning. She's pretty volatile. The stock was $120 at the end of the year, and coming down, starting all the way down here at $2. We're probably getting a dead cat bounce on that, so I'm throwing that back on our watch list. All right, so a couple of stocks that also showed up right here. We have this DEVS. I don't have it up here. I took it off. DEVS. Let's go check on level 4. Let's see what's going on. Hey, Joe on YouTube. Good to see you, Joe. Thanks for listening to the show. All right, so what we got going on here on the stock right here, let's see what we got. All right, so we got a couple iceberg orders showing up right here around $1.50. I'll show you right now. So right there, 34,000, 32,000, hovering right there. So got a couple of iceberg orders. Are probably going to hold it down. That number is right here. So that's the high that happened right around 750, okay? It is a new stock that did come out, and you can see here in the bottom, it's starting to, came back down, and IPO went from 50 cents up to $1.20. DEVS, we'll put that on here. That one's not bad. This one also got this thing. My God, I don't know what the hell this was all about. Remember this stock on Tuesday went all the way to $250 and came crashing down. It got halted, just kept going up. So this thing is just, I don't know if I've been doing this for a long time. I don't know if I've ever seen anything do that, something like that, go that crazy and gap up that high and come crashing down. But she is trying to move up a little bit this morning. Big volume, 22,000 shares. PGHD. SHL. We're going to put that on the watch list also. So it looks like she's starting to build some supports over here. Let me put on the one-day chart. Do I have level 4 on it? Yeah, I do. All right. So you got all these flash sales that keep coming up around $2, and you got some resistance around 260, 280, and 3. So we'll keep an eye on that price. We'll put it on the watch list anyway. Anyway, second biggest percentage gainer on the NASDAQ, always looking pretty good. This one looks a little bit better. Like I said earlier, there's the same thing that piggybacked on Friday. So you can see how it basically made, what did it make? It's number 5 on the watch list. So this one's moving up pretty nicely. I kind of like it now. I see that it's way, way up there on the big percentage gainers, which is really nice. This one, CABA, volume's pretty good. Spread looks pretty ugly. Tier sizes are ugly. Going to pass on that one, even though it is number 4 on the watch list. All right, this stock is a warrant, which are not going to be trading. So this is the actual regular stock. We saw the stock on Friday. We saw the stock. I wasn't too crazy about it. It's the warrant's weird. It's like this one's trading, but the warrant is kind of hard to trade. What else we got going on here? All right, we got 20%. Don't like the chart on that one. Don't like the pre-market chart. Don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. RCAT. Now, this stock we've traded last couple of days. Started at 4. It keeps going up. It's got this big resistance levels right around here. What's that high right there? 1025. Let me go check and see if the order's still out there from RCAT. See what we got going on there. Yeah, we got big resistance. Got a big iceberg order sitting around 11. Tier size is small. See this? Very small tier sizes. It's going to probably be a category 3. So be very careful on this RCAT. All right. Losers, what's going on over here? So really nice loser on this APLT. This thing got destroyed on Thursday. Got crushed. What do we know about it? Read the name. It's already, you could see it. It's a pharmaceutical stock, and you know pharmaceutical stocks don't come back. All right. INTR, so we're going to pass on that one. This one's getting crushed too. Nothing really there. We got a slingshot on this one. IMCX, 60 down to 35. Oh, my God. Yeah, this thing was gapped up pretty big. This is a reverse stock split. This one shot up and came back down. Yeah, nothing on the good losers. SOS, not really that good. We got this one back on the watch list. This UMAC. Where's our orders on this one right here? Look, he's still out there at 15. Listen, the stock is very volatile, UMAC. So once again, remember, we got phase 2 that's starting today. So if you're a student, once again, we got to start at 10:30 and 12. If you want to know how to get into the class, make sure you check with your education advisor. But we're going to talk about stocks like this. Remember, in phase 1, we talk specifically what makes stock tradable and non-tradable. Over 50% of you traders fail, even listening on YouTube, on social media, fail because you trade stocks that are way, way, way too volatile. They move too fast. And you're thinking, well, what makes this stock faster than the other? Trust me, you're trading stocks that you should not be in. You got to make sure you cover that first. ACHR has been not only a great day trade, but this is how they convert into a swing trade. So we've been watching this stock all the way back since the beginning of November. It's about $3, ramped to 4. Things are already 8. It's already breaking all-time highs. Really, really nice stock, breaking 52-week high, and still looks pretty strong. As what we see what's going on as orders go, looking at the right of the chart, what do we got going on this one? All right, I see some buyers. I'm seeing a ladder effect on the bid. I'm not seeing any sellers out there. And when there's no sellers, you know what that means? You break through the roof. So this one definitely looks a lot better than all the other ones we found. MSTU, too expensive. Boyle, just leave that thing alone. The thing is, they made so many reverse stock splits on that thing right there. Losers, this one's getting really beat up. Nothing pretty about it. Nothing pretty about that. Nothing pretty about that. All right. So, listen, We have a pretty good list so far on for a Black Friday and a half a day. So we'll put the stock on our watch list. By the way, if you're watching on social media, make sure you take your phone, scan the QR code in the top left-hand corner. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment, or ring the bell. So you can. We'll be back here at, I guess, what, 12 o'clock, I think. We'll do the afternoon meeting, trade the afternoon, or I guess 11:30. So it's gonna be like back to back. So you got classes, and then you're gonna have the workshop. That's gonna come. You're gonna have the classes, and you're gonna have the afternoon meeting because of the half a day. But listen, don't get too cocky today. I'm not super impressed. I mean, there are a couple of stocks. I mean, the UAMC looks interesting, but I know some of you are not going to be able to trade it. Wendy, I wasn't too crazy about the SOS. ACHR looks a little bit better. Nice little trend, nice little push. Spread looks a little bit better. Remember, it's all about risk to reward. We have a couple of swing trades going on right now. Listen, I'll keep an eye on Amazon. I will keep some brand name stocks out there if you're looking to get into some of them. But we're going into the holiday season, and I'll tell you how to trade that when we come back here on Monday. But we'll see how today pans out first, all right? Let's get ready for the market open up in about less than 15 minutes. We'll come back on the mic. Me and Josh will be trading the open with you again. Once again, if you're watching on social media, we'll see you there. If not, we'll see you back in the afternoon. Traders, you see something, you say something, all right? Happy trading, everyone. See you in a little bit.